When I say level 1, it covers 4th, 5th and 6th, 3rd, 4th and 5th grade.
Oh, that's why the other girl's not here.
I'm sorry?
That's why the other girl's not here, because she's in 6th.
Yeah. So, and then Goshika will move to grade 2, level 2. She's in 6th grade. So we'll finish level 1 quickly and then she moves on to level 2. So we will start with the most basic stuff and we'll keep moving upward to see what we know and what we don't. Okay? So, okay, I am not able to read this. Everything that you see on this page is level 1. Can you read one by one? Just read the first line.
Intro to multiplication, one digit.
Oh, wait. Just say first one, okay? Intro to multiplication. Does anybody in this group, including me, don't know what is multiplication? Does anybody in this group doesn't know what is multiplication? We all know, right? I'm just asking. I'm just trying to wake everybody up, okay?
Yep.
Alright. So everyone knows multiplication. Whenever you see the sign like this is multiplication.
X.
You know what to do. Yeah?
10.
Okay, so let's not rush for the answer. I'm never in a hurry to get the answer, okay? I'm more worried about the process.
It's either 5, it's either 2 groups of 5 or 2 groups of,
Right.
no, 5 groups of 2.
Okay, so basically now in simple terms, in English, if you have to say multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. You have to add 5 with 5. You say, okay, I'm adding 5 2 times. Yeah? If you have to add 4 times, you will say 4 times 3. That is what multiplication is. Very simple layman's term, okay? We're not talking about anything complicated. Stop me if I'm either not making sense or if I'm making just too much sense. Okay? So, in simple English, multiplication is nothing but a form of repeated addition. Clear? I will not talk anything further about it. Read the second line. I'm assuming everybody is clear here, right? About this thing? Okay. What is the second line?
1 digit 2 and multi-digit multiplication.
Okay. So 1 digit, 2 multi-digit multiplications. Everybody here. No cross talks. Okay? So single digit multiplication, multi-digit multiplication. Who all doesn't feel confident? It's okay. It's okay to say, I don't know. That's fine. Anybody having any confusion, any doubt? Don't go that far away. No, so what I'm saying is, I want to finish one page. This is level 1. This is my level 1. The entire syllabus for level 1. Which will make sure that everything that we are supposed to know as part of grade 3 to 5 is covered here. I want to cover till 5 before I go to 6, 7, 8.
Now I saw the SAT in that one.
So don't worry about that. If you jump, see, you have to let the plant grow before you climb onto it.
Okay.
If the plant is too small and you just try climbing it, it will break. Don't rush. Okay? So read the second line. Single digit multiplication and multi-digit multiplication, right? Okay. So something like multiplying with 1 digit, multiplying with 1 digit, multiplying with 1 digit, multiplying with 1 digit. Anybody having smallest of hesitation about what is this? Kavya, you want to come here?
No.
You want to come here?
Come?
Yeah. See, I will make you guys do the maths with me. I'm done studying. It's your turn to study. Okay, can you do this one? Let's see if Kavya remembers already.
Let's have to solve this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. this one.
Hmm?
I'm struggling with that.
Why? You're not supposed to. What did you do here? 8 7
56.
6 plus 3, 59. What carry forward? 5. Now 8 7 56.
16.
Yeah, done. So, see, that's why I keep telling you guys, everybody in my class, right? This is the first thing for all of us. See, Kavyan could do it easily. There was nothing wrong with this. There was no problem. I'll come to that. Everyone will get a chance. Everyone will get a chance.
No, I was wearing Nike.
Yeah? See? So, yeah, coming back to this one. So, what I'm saying, the first thing is, whenever you get a math or a sum to solve, I will do it. That will be your first response. The time you say so, the time you feel so, it becomes easy. Okay? So, there was nothing that I was trying to teach you guys. These are the things that you already know. I was trying to do a recap. So, out of the 15-20 lines that you see there, first 2 lines, I don't see any problem. Now, what is the third line?
Addition, subtraction, and elimination, and estimation.
Say it loud.
Addition, subtraction, and estimation.
Addition, subtraction and estimation. Okay?
Estimation.
Okay. So, does anybody in this group doesn't know addition? I mean, see, my job is not to make anybody feel good or bad. My job is to know exactly what the problem is. If I know the problem, we will work out a solution. If we hide the problem, there is no solution. Okay? So, anybody having any struggle with addition and subtraction? Okay, I'm assuming the answer is no. So then I'll do my checks. Just now give to me. Okay. See, my glasses don't help. I have to see without glasses.
My dad watches an iPhone with glasses. He's like,
Yeah, because when you guys, not you guys, when somebody grows old like me, you get 2 types of power. One is for seeing far, and one is for seeing closer. So the one for seeing closer is what doesn't help with the glasses.
people without glasses can see farther.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so we have just touched upon what are the things there for level 1. So we checked on multiplication, simple introduction to multiplication, single digit multiplication. Addition, subtraction, that is a check that I would want to do tomorrow. Today we learned fractions, addition, subtraction of fractions, or even multiplication of fractions. Okay? But before we do that, the most important thing, revising tables. Because Kavyan, when he was doing sums, he was doing it perfectly fine. He took little longer, or he was kind of see again, when I'm saying anybody's name, not to make you feel bad or good, I'm just, it's like, you know, if you have a wound here, you'll expose it so that you can apply cream on it and gets healed, right? So if there is any problem, I'll expose it so that we can do the treatment for that. So if I say anybody's name, it's not to make anybody feel good about it, okay? Alright, so what I was saying was, when we were doing the table, when we were doing the multiplication, we were clear, but why what got stuck? Because we were taking a little longer to get the tables. Yeah? Let's focus on tables. How many of you have spent some time with the tables? I know Myra has not. You both have spent time with tables?
I did.
Even if you are spending 2 minutes daily, that is more than enough. Okay? Okay. So, you have to spend time with tables. You both have to spend time with tables. I know it was a New Year, the holiday season, so I don't need to be that rude. But but it's for ourselves, okay? Spend 2 minutes with the table every day. Now let's do quick check, and I will point finger. That person only has to tell the answer, okay? Not everybody, okay? I will get a chance. 8 8 0.
64. 64.
Okay. 9 2 0.
18.
7 5 0.
35.
4 6 0.
24.
Okay. 6 9 0.
54.
Okay. 9 9 0.
81.
Okay. 12 5 0.
60.
13 2 0.
13 twos. Okay, that's 26.
26. 8 9 0.
72.
Okay. 12 2 0.
Wait, what?
12 2 0.
24.
24. 9 5 0.
45.
Okay. So, general observation. You guys know. What I want to do is, I want to make it more quick and accurate.
Yes.
It should be like 13 8 0. 104. Okay. Likewise, it should be very quick. So that way, if you remember the tables till let's say 20, if somebody gives you a sum like 156 multiplied by 12, what is the general approach? You will do this, then keep a gap, do this. I can do it faster. If I see 12, I know the table of 12. I will say 12 6 are 72. 7 carry forward. 12 5 is 60 plus 7, 67. 6 carry forward. 12 1 is 12 plus 6, 18. I can save time. Okay? Otherwise, there is always the simplest method where you will say 2 6 are 12, 1 carry forward, 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 1 carry forward, 2 is 2 plus 3, 2 1 3, 1 6 is 6, you will leave 1, 1 6 is 6, 1 5 is 5, 1 1 is 1, 2 7 8 1. So you have two options. Whichever one works for you, right? If you know the table of 12, you don't have to do it 2 times and then do the addition. You can just do it one shot. Okay? Alright. So let's do a revision of tables. So who's going to sing the song today? Okay. So today, Advik, come over.
Yay.
2 tables Advik, and who's going to be the next person? Arav. 2 tables Arav also. Or let me do one thing. 1 table Advik, 1 table Arav.
1 table Myra.
1 table Myra. No? You guys are afraid? No. Okay. So today these 3 kids will get the chance, but anybody, you want to sing a song? Okay, come over.
Actually,
No, it's okay. In this class, nobody has to be shy. Because if you're shy, you will not learn. Or you learn slowly.
no. If you're shy, you'll be called scaredy cats.
Okay. No, I'm not calling anybody anything, but yeah. Being shy actually, slows down things. Okay? Alright, so we'll start with the table of. I'll assume now that everybody knows table till 10. I know there's speed to be induced. We have to go a little fast.
Wait, till 11.
Till 11. Okay. I'll assume that everybody knows table till 11. There's no problem. But request to everybody, make sure that I'll send a reminder also to your parents that make sure the kids are spending 5 minutes daily, or let's say 3 minutes daily. Do 2 tables daily, sing it like a song. Okay? Alright, so we'll start with 12. You go on.
12 ones are 12.
And say it loud. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. I want this to be heard outside the door as well.
12 ones are 12.
12.
Ones are 12.
Everybody, okay.
twos are-
And sorry. So you have to say, everybody has to follow you. So you say 12 ones are 12. Everybody says 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. Everybody says that. We are not here for any speech. We are all going to participate. Everybody again. So you will say, small pause, everybody says it, then you go to the next one. Okay?
12 ones are 12.
12 ones are 12.
12 twos are 24.
12 twos are 24.
12 threes are 36.
12 threes are 36.
12 fours are 48.
12 fours are 48.
12 fives are 60.
12 fives are 60.
12 sixes are 72.
12 sixes are 72.
12 sevens are 84.
12 sevens are 84.
12 nines are 108.
12 nines are 108.
12 tens are 120.
12 tens are 120.
You missed.
I already said 9.
No, 90. No, you missed 96.
Okay.
I didn't say it.
Okay, it's okay. Even if you missed, it's okay to repeat one more time. 12 is 96. Because see, the thing is, more you say it, more accurate it will become. It's fine. Okay? Alright. Continue. So, you finished 12, right? Now, I will do a small correction to that. Now, what will happen? Since the assumption is everybody is knowing, or everybody is learning, so instead of waiting for him to finish, you also sing with him. He says 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. So let's make it a little quick. Okay? So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. And everybody tries singing either together or with a much smaller lag. Don't wait for him to finish and then stop, because we'll be able to save some time. Okay? Now we'll apply the same formula. Thank you, Adrik.
Those next I choose.
Let Arav come. He is traveling from far distance. Okay, 13. So you will sing the table of 13, and you don't have to go fast. I want them to go fast. Okay. So you can start.
13 times 13.
And be loud. Be loud.
13 ones are 13.
13 ones are 13.
Little louder.
13 twos are 26.
13 twos are 26.
13 threes are 39.
13 threes are 39.
13 fours
52.
are 52.
13 fours are 52.
13 fives are 65.
13 fives are 65.
13 sixes are
78.
78.
13 sevens are
91. So
13 6 are 91.
13 eights are 104.
13 8 are
4.
13 nines are 117.
17.
13 9s are 117.
13 tens are 130.
Okay. So good job. So Arav also remembers. So good job, Arav. So you can go take your
That's
seat.
why I was top in my class.
I'm sorry.
That's why I was top in my class. I just got a 98 on my top quiz.
Okay. So see, what I was saying was, when you are singing the table, no scope for anybody to go slow or kind of hide your sound or voice. Be as loud and clear. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, because you want to hear yourself. If your brain keeps hearing what you're saying, it will get registered here forever. Okay? So that's why everybody, when Arav is singing, anybody is singing, that person has to say it loud, other person has to repeat equally loud. Okay? Equally louder. Come over. You're doing 14. Do it louder. 14 ones are 14. Start. Let's see how far you can go, and I'll support it later.
14 ones are 14.
14 1s are 14.
14 twos are 28.
14 2s are 28.
14 threes are 42.
14 3s are 42.
14 fours are 56.
14 4s are 56.
14 fives are 70.
14 5s are 70.
14 sixes are 84.
14
6s
6s
are
are
84.
84.
14 sevens are 98.
14 sevens are 98.
14 eights are
112. You're adding, I know.
14
You're
eights are
adding.
112.
14 8s are 112. 14 9s are 26.
126.
14 10s are 140. Okay? Thank you, madam.
You were
So-
you.
So I'll just repeat the table of 14 and I would want everybody to sing with me. 14 ones are 14.
14
Ones are 14. 14 twos are 28.
14 twos are 28.
14 threes are 42.
14 threes are 42.
14 fours are 56.
14 fours are 56.
14 fives are 70.
14 fives are 70.
14 sixes are 84.
14 sixes are 84.
14 sevens are 98.
14 sevens are 98.
14 eights are 112. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 136.
14 nines are 126.
14 fours are 140. So here, when you guys revise at home and kind of keep missing anything in between. Let's say 14 fives are 70. You forgot. You could not recall. So what you will do is 14 fives are 70 if you forget, right? You'll say 14 fives are 70, 14 fives are 70, 14 fives are 70, 14 fives are 70, 14 fives are 70. Now it gets registered. Then you'll say, okay, now let me start from beginning. 14 ones are 14, 14 are 28, 14 3 are 52, 42, 14 4 are 56, 14 5 are 70. Now you remember. Then you go to 6, 14 6 are 14 7 are likewise. So just 2 minutes, just equal to one small song of a movie, okay? That's what you can spend for yourself. Where you will do it, that you figure out whether you're doing it while eating, while taking bath, or doing whatever. Just 2 minutes for yourself, okay? Now we come to the next topic that we're going to talk about, that is called
Understanding fractions.
add. So it's called add, subtract fractions, multiply, divide fractions. So let's see how much we are able to learn today, and then rest we'll learn tomorrow. First of all, what is a fraction? Let's hear Kavya.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah. Fractions. Yeah.
Okay, let's hear Ishan.
No, the
Hey, you
definition.
can do that self. Yeah. What is fraction?
I'm gonna do them with the whiteboard.
Okay.
I
Okay.
don't know the definition, but
Okay.
Yeah, so basically a fraction is like 0, 2, 3, 2, so it's like
that's a decimal.
It's a decimal.
oh,
And you're not very far, but there's a difference. Okay. Let me explain you guys conceptually. Okay. So allow me to go ahead so that everybody can. I'll ask you guys to come over, but yeah, let's. Forget about it. If you're feeling cold, I'll take you guys upstairs. Okay.
I am.
You're cold.
Yeah.
let's go upstairs.
Right.
No.
Here's the here.
I like to smell the gas here.
You're okay with it?
I like
So
to smell
then-
the gas here.
Okay. All right. So okay, back to the class. So back to the class. What is a fraction? Does everybody know what are these?
Numerals.
And digits.
Those are numerals.
These are natural numbers. Yeah?
Aren't those numerals?
Natural.
Numerals is different.
You can wait. No parallel discussion in the class. If you do that, Bernard will be gone doing nothing. Okay? So let's focus. These are mathematically they are called natural numbers. Sit down properly, beta. In the class, if you sit down properly, that will be better. Okay. Yeah. So these are called natural numbers. You can go on to infinity. If you add a 0, this becomes whole number. Yeah? If you add -1, -2, -3, so on and so forth, this becomes integers. Yeah? Integers is everything. This is like the daddy of numbers. From without 0, everything 1 onwards, full numbers, that is called natural numbers. Add 0 becomes whole numbers. Add -1, -2, -3 also, this whole set becomes integers. It's called integers. Yeah?
So then what's a numeral?
Numerals, it's just number. I mean, see, you can find 10, yeah, you can find 10 ways to explain it. I'm just telling you the mathematical part of it, okay? So, numeric values, numerals, same thing. Yeah? Yeah. A lot of time we have. We just started.
Just get on it.
Don't worry. I mean, we have just been it's just been 30 minutes, right? Okay. Okay, we have not learned anything yet. Focus. Okay. And while studying, that focus is very much needed. Okay. So we are just talking about what is whole number, integer, and natural numbers. Now, what are these?
Fractions. Yeah. No, it's like the numerals being the numerators being divided by the
So
denominator.
when you divide any natural number or an integer into multiple parts, that is what you are creating fractions.
Isn't it technically the numerator being divided by the denominator?
You can say it in 10 different ways, but wait, I'll not let anybody speak because you guys will keep on redefining it. Learning will get compromised. I'll ask you guys, okay? I'll ask you guys to participate. I'll make sure everybody participates, but not without learning, okay? So, what is a fraction? Fraction is when you divide a natural number or an integer or a whole number into multiple parts. What this means? 4 is divided among 8 people.
1/2.
Yeah? What does this mean? 5 things are divided among 10 people. Right? So we are creating that many. Don't play. What you're saying here is something is divided into multiple. If I say this, I can also say this as 1, meaning 2 things are divided among 1 people. It's for 1 people. So fraction means when you are creating multiple pieces of it. Okay? Now, so what Ishan was saying, that was also another type of fraction, another representation of fraction actually. So Ishan said this. Okay? We will learn this. So this becomes
Conversion.
this.
It also becomes 20%.
It becomes 20% also. So these are different forms of representing a particular value. You're saying something. Now you can say.
Yeah, are we gonna write equivalent fractions?
So what my request to everybody in this class would be, when I come to the class, I come with an agenda, I do preparation. And okay, there are things I'm going to teach. So wait for me to do one by one, and towards the end, if there's something that we have not covered, you can say, okay, this one we have not covered. I'll repeat, I'll explain. There could be things that you will also come across after we finish the class. Let's say tomorrow when you go home, you'll find something. See, I'm not covering everything, right? I might not be able to cover everything. So if you find something, come to me saying, okay, I found something different, which I understood, which I'll explain. If I don't understand, I want you to explain. I'll explain. So, what I'm trying to say is, how I plan 1 hour is, that's why I keep stopping you guys, right? That make sure that I'm using the time effectively. So, I'll cover all the concepts that I have planned to cover, and anything that is not clear to you guys, I keep some time for that also. So that's why I'm always stopping you guys whenever I think that discussion is not needed. Okay, coming back to this. So fraction, technically we know, is a fraction. This is also a fraction. Just that this is a negative number. That's all. Okay? It's a fraction. Now, and the way we read is, this many things are divided among this many people. This many things are divided among this many people. Now, how would you divide a -2 among 9 people? What does -2 mean conceptually?
-2.
-2, yeah, negative -2 is -2.
2 less than 0.
2 less than 0, or if I try getting that with myself.
0.2.
No. How do I read -2?
Oh, transfer the 9 numbers to the negative.
No. So I'm saying, how do I read -2? If I have $3, this is my money. I have $3, I'm distributing it among 4 people. I have minus $2. What does it mean? I have borrowed $2 from somebody. That is how my balance is minus 2. I have negative balance.
Because you're not actually earning the money.
I have not earned the money, but I have spent it actually. That's how I am running with a negative balance. So tomorrow if I get $2, I'll be able to pay that guy and make it 0.
And then you come back to square
Yeah.
one. So you
Yeah.
don't use
So here it's like whatever balance I have, whatever I owe to somebody, let's say I have borrowed $2 from Arab. That's my balance, that's my credit. And I have distributed among 9 people, meaning my $2 will be paid by 9 different people. Somebody will pay 20 cents to Arab, another person will say 25 cents to Arab, likewise, okay? So that's how I'm distributing my balance also to among people. No, did not understand that? Okay, let's say I borrowed $10 and I asked Myra and her sister to pay it off. Okay, so I owe $10 to somebody. This is my balance. I asked my kids to pay it on my behalf. So I distributed this among 2 of my kids. So Myra will pay $5. My elder daughter will pay $5 once they have money. So that's how. I mean, again, this is just a theory part of it. We'll not talk in those terms. Net, it's a negative number distributed among 2. Okay, so now, so far we have only looked at what is a fraction. Now, this is apple. Even if it doesn't look like apple, assume this is apple. I divide this into 2 parts. So this is 1/2. This is 1/2. Yeah? So if I am eating 1/2 of the apple, okay? This is what I ate.
the remaining is
Huh?
the remaining is
Remaining is also 1/2? 1/2?
Yeah.
If I say I cut the apple into 2 pieces, I gave 1/2 to Kavyan and 1/2 to Ishan.
Yay!
Yeah? So here 1 apple is divided into 2, and if I put them together, it becomes 1. So this is the addition part of it. This only from an understanding point of view. Okay. If let's say I divide a pie into 3 equal pieces, every piece is what? 1/3.
Not equal.
We will not debate for things which are not in there. Okay. So assume this is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay. Every part is 1/3. This is 1/3. This is 1/3. If I say I'll give 1/3 to Advik, what Advik gets? 1/3.
Yay!
If I say I'll give 2/3 to Advik,
Yay!
what does it mean? 2/3. 2 times of 1/3, meaning this piece and this piece. So 2/3 is what? 2/3, meaning anything that is divided into 3 pieces, 2 parts of it is 2/3. That is how you will relate. Now, we know integers or whatever. Yeah? We have learned so far fractions also. What is fraction at a very high level? Now, there is another thing, something called mixed number. Who knows about it? What is this? Okay. Kaushika, you know about this one? Mixed number?
Yeah.
Can you convert this into a simple fraction? Try it. It's okay, come over. It's okay. It's perfectly okay to make mistakes. Okay, we are here to learn. Can you convert this into a simple fraction like what we have above? Oh, you are also left-hander?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wait, what?
She is also a left-hander. So, try this. Okay. So, I'll let everybody try. Okay. So the way it works is, okay, I missed one thing. If you look at a fraction, this is called denominator This is called numerator. Yeah. Yeah. So see, now, okay, thank you, Oscar. You can take a seat. So, I don't know who all observed this, but I did. When she tried doing it, she was in a hurry. She made a mistake. And then she again tried doing it. I did not give her any clue. Then she did it. What it means is, any math, any sum that you try doing, you may not get it right in the first go always. Try, keep trying. Do it twice, thrice. Make mistakes. It's perfectly fine to make mistakes. At least in this class you will have the luxury of making mistakes. That's how we learn. Okay? Now, what did she do? See, this is the denominator, this is the numerator. Yeah? If you have any mixed number like this, what do? Multiply this with this and then add this. Yeah? That's what you do. So it's like a clock. So you multiply this. 2 3s are 6. And then you add this. Plus 1, 7. And then you come back to the denominator. So this is like a minute needle taking one complete circle. Start from here, multiply it, add it, write the denominator. Back to square one. So we learned mixed number also. So I'm doing something too. Okay. I want some one of you to do it. Okay, who will do it? Okay, and there are multiple people raising hand, right? You want to do it, Ishan? No? Why? Okay, I will give 13, 4 by 7, and then two hands I see raised. Kaushik also want to try? Okay, 4, 9 by 18. Okay, 3. Okay, 3 hands. You want to try? No? Okay, let 3 people do it. Come quickly, do it, go back. One more. One person comes, he says go back. Quick. Pick anyone that you want to. Others will sit down. Let one person finish and then go. Okay. You do one, go back to your seat. Myra, you go back to your seat. Wait, let him finish. Do it quickly. Okay. Let me write one more question because Basika also is waiting. Okay. You finish one of these two and then Basika comes. Do it quickly and go back to your seat. No. Don't. Okay. Noshika, come quickly. You come to go back to your seat. It's like a relay race. Very nice. See, so let me check. 14 9 126 plus 3 129 by 9. This is correct. 18 4 72 plus 9 81 by 18. This is also correct. 13 7 91 plus 4 95 by 7. This is also correct. 12 8 96 plus 3 99 by 8. This is also correct. So you guys know how to convert a mixed fraction into a mixed number into a simple fraction. Yeah?
Improper fraction.
Yeah. What is that called?
Improper.
Improper fraction. Yeah. So again, proper fraction is where your denominator is bigger than your numerator. Everybody here. So what is a proper fraction? When the numerator is smaller than your denominator. Improper fraction is where your numerator is bigger than your denominator. When you are breaking one thing into three pieces, this is number smaller than 1. This is called proper fraction. If you are breaking 4 things into 3 people, everybody gets more than 1. Your numerator is bigger than denominator. That's why it's called improper fraction. And we learned how to do. We all know what is how do we deal with converting any mixed number into improper fraction. There is one more thing that we have to quickly check before we can try doing addition, subtraction of fractions. Okay, everybody is okay? Okay. So, who all knows how to calculate LCM?
Oh, lowest common multiple.
Lowest common multiple.
Least common multiple. I have a question.
Okay. Okay, I'll come to you guys. What does the lowest common multiple mean? A lowest common multiple means a number that is multiple of this and this, but the lowest.
But that doesn't mean.
If I look at 4, it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 4 also. If I say 8, if I say 12, if I say 16, if I say 20, right? Everything is divisible by 2 and 4 both. But this is the lowest common multiple. And there is a way to do it. So I will quickly do that, just in the interest of time, so that we can get to addition and subtraction of fractions. It's called LCM, lowest common multiple. Let's say I have to add these two, okay?
Can I get some water?
Yes. Maya, can you get a bottle of water and 2 glasses.
We are also what's the time?
Okay, we have 10 more minutes. But my request to you all would be, please don't keep taking time. That is disrespectful. We are here to learn. Yeah? Okay, coming back to this one.
I found out the LCM.
No, so wait, I'm teaching. Let me complete. So that everybody knows. It's not, see, this class is not for making one person learn or 2 person learn. This class is for everybody to learn. Okay? So, and people who already know it, for them it's a revision. Okay? Alright. So, if you have to do this one, first thing you have to do is, what is the LCM? This is the first place where you end up using LCM. You find out the denominator for both the fractions, okay? 2 and 3. What is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3? 6. Everybody will say? How? This is how you do it. So you say, okay, which is the smallest number? 2. Let me pick 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 I cannot do. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. I'll keep 3 edges. Now one is done. Now what is the next number, smallest number? 3. 1. So now if I have to find out the LCM of 2 and 3, it is 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. So 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. This is 6. So this is how you find the LCM. Okay. I don't think anybody paid attention here. So let me repeat. So when you're trying to find the LCM of something, right? Your objective is to get ultimately 1 here. Okay. So you will look at all the numbers that you are trying to find out the LCM for. Pick up the smallest number of all the numbers. You pick 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 doesn't come, so you will keep it as is. So you will write 2, and then you will have 2 ones are 2, and then 3 edges. Then you see, okay, what, except 1, what is the next smallest number? 3. 3 ones are 3. So this one remains 1, 3 ones are 3. So, and then you multiply all the numbers that you see here. Now let's do an LCM for, let's say if I have to add 2 by 11 also. What I'll have to do is, I'll have to look at all the denominators. So 2, 3 and 11. This is, okay. No, let me complete it, okay. So I'll pick up the smallest number, 1, 3 remains as is, 11 doesn't come in the table of 2. I'll keep it as is. Now, except 1, what is the smallest number? 3. I'll come here. 1, 11. What is the next number? 11. 1, 1, 1. So I'll multiply this and this. So 2 into 3 into 11. Okay, now you are saying something.
So what I noticed about when I get all the factors is that you basically multiply multiply 2 by 3 and times 11 because they were they had an equal they all had well it was an LCM or GCM. I got 66. And so when I was to get the correct answer, but I never learned it.
Okay, I have to stop you guys. Don't rush for answer. That is when I start getting restless. I am never in a hurry to get the answer. I am wanting everybody to focus on the process part of it. Let's focus on this one, okay? When you come to the answer, you will get it right if you know the process, okay? If you know the approach. Now, let's say if I have to add 1 by 6 also. Now what will be the LCM? Earlier you were saying that you will multiply this with this and then this. That's why I introduced this one, so that now we get another flavor of LCM. Okay? Now we have 2, 3, 11 and 6. We have to find the LCM of this. Okay? What I will do, I will pick up the smallest of the numbers. 2. 2 1 are 2. 3 remains as is. 11 remains as is. It doesn't come in the table of 2. But 6 does. So this is 2 3s are 6. Now, I pick the next smallest number. 1 is gone. I'll pick 3 now. 1, 1, 3 1 are 3. 11 doesn't come in the table of 3. I'll keep it as is. 3 1 are 3. Now next thing I have to do is 11. So 1 is done. 1 is done. 11 1 are 11. 1. Now I have to multiply 2, 3 and 11. So, what happened here is, even if I added 6, my LCM remained the same, 2, 3 is 11, okay? And that is what we are trying to find out, okay? So, whether it's a addition of fraction or subtraction of fraction, first thing you have to do is look at all the denominators and find out the LCM for that. That's the first step. Everybody, Advik, Ishan, everybody here? Okay. So, by doing this, I got 66 as my LCM. What I will do next? Who knows? Okay, Ishan. You know? Okay. Okay, Advik, come.
You times the numerator.
Okay, you just tell me. So, first one, what will you do?
So 33 times 2 equals 66. So you times the numerator 33 times.
So what happens is, now you kind of divide this with this one. You pick the first number, divide 66 by 2, that makes it 33. And you multiply that with whatever you have in the numerator. So this. So first one becomes 33. Then whatever is the sign, plus, put a plus. Then same thing you do with 3 also. 66 divided by 3 is 22. And then what is the numerator? I have 1 as numerator. I'll put 1. So this is 22. So I'll put 22. Then there is a plus sign again. I'll put a plus. What do we have in the numerator? Sorry, denominator 11. 66 divided by 11 is 6. What do I have in the numerator? I have 2 actually. So I'll put a 2. So this becomes 12. Then I look at this guy. 66 divided by 6 is 11. And what do I have in the numerator? 1. So 11 into 1. So that is 11. I'll just add these. What is some of this? 23, 45, 68 divided by 66. This is my answer. Okay. So many of you are already knowing this. Arav was knowing it. Advik was knowing it. Maya was saying she is knowing it.
We timed in school.
Yeah. So see, all of you would have come across this for sure. Okay. Okay.
Wait,
So
but we have-
let me just finish these kids. Okay, so we were doing fractions here, right? So what did we do? We just derived the LCM for all these numbers. Everybody here, Ishan. We just derived LCM and you guys learned how to do LCM, right? You guys know or you learned. Then after doing this LCM, we picked up every number one by one, divide that number, divide this with that number and then multiply with that numerator. That's what we did. So, and only thing that you would have noticed is I kept looking for this sign. Is it plus or minus? If it's a plus sign, I just kept on adding. If there was a minus here, I would have just put a minus. So, be it addition or subtraction of fraction, it's the same thing. Approach is the same. You just have to deal with the sign properly. Okay?